हाँ श्रेयस को सुरू आहे. लिंक वगैरे पाठवलेली नाही मी, पण केलेलं आहे मी सगळं लेक्चर. हो सुरू केले मी लेक्चर. लिंक दररोजचीच ना. हो. अच्छा लिंक पाठवली नाही काय आज. ओके 1 minute. Let me send the link. Okay, let me continue. Where we were? Here. So, rule number 3, del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n, and it should be constant or function of x only. Then integrating factor is e raised to integration of f of x dx. Whereas rule number 4, del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by n should be function of y only or constant. In that case, the integrating factor is e raised to integration of phi of y dy. Last rule is x raised to a plus y raised to b. Differential equation is in this form. X raised to a y raised to b into my dx plus nx dy plus x raised to p y raised to q r y dx plus sx dy equal to 0. Then integrating factor is x raised to h y raised to k. Okay. Then we understood what is function of xy is. Hope it might be clear to you. Then we solved a few examples yesterday, and we'll solve few more examples today also. So page number 43, example number 2, 44 now. Let me start. Yes, page number 44. Today is 3/6/21. Okay, we'll go through next example right now. Hope you remember the.
सर ते ऍडमिट करा.
Okay. So next example right now. Example number 3. Question is same. Solve the differential equation right now. Y 1 plus xy dx plus x 1 minus xy dy equal to 0. Okay, m equal to, write the m, y 1 plus xy and n equal to x 1 minus xy. Simplify it. Del m by del y 1 plus 2xy del n by del x 1 minus 2xy. So conclusion is del m by del y not equal to del n by del x. differential equation is not exact. Ame A18. Ame is there.
Yes, sir.
So which rule is to be used? Can we use rule number 1? Is the differential equation homogeneous? See the m is over here. Okay, is the degree of first and second term same? No. Degree
No.
of the first term is 1, degree of the second term is 3. Okay, so m is not homogeneous, and once m is not homogeneous, we cannot use the rule number 1. Okay, so what about the rule number 2? Can we use the rule number 2? Is the differential equation is in this form? What is required? Y function of xy, that is degree of x and y should be same. See, this is the term 1 plus xy. What is degree of degree of xy in the first term? 0, 0. What is degree of xy in the second term? 1, 1. Okay, so same degree of x and y in a particular term. So it is function of xy plus ax. Next is also function of xy only. Okay, so f2 of xy. dy equal to 0. Differential equation is in the form y function of xy dx plus x function of x should be x into y, x into y, xy dy equal to 0. Therefore, integrating factor is, what is integrating factor in this case? 1 upon xm minus yn. Okay, that is 1 upon xm. Okay, here is the m. Y plus xy square minus yn. So n is here. X minus x square y. Simplify. xy x square y square or you can leave the constant. Here only we can leave the constant. 1 upon x square y square. Why we can leave the constant? We'll understand. Understood how the integrating factor is obtained? Okay. Now what is the next step? Multiply the equation number 1 by this integrating factor. Multiplying 1 by 1 upon x square y square or 1 upon 2x square y square. It is one and same. We'll understand why it is one and same. So y plus xy square divided by x square y square dx plus ax minus x square y divided by x square y square dy equal to 0. So see, if it is 2 here, I can cancel 1 upon 2 from both sides. Getting na? On other side, on the right side, we have 0 na? And we are multiplying by integrating factor. So I can cancel 1 upon 2. I can cancel the constant and it is cancelled. Simplify it. So 1 upon x square y. 1 y is cancelled. 1 upon x. Now what do we know about the differential equation number 2? Exact. Okay, equation number 2 is exact. Let me change the page. Now we know how to solve the exact differential equation. We have to use the method.
Sir, just a minute.
Right.
सर
हाँ
सर फिर इस क्वेश्चन में रूल नंबर 3 और 4 नहीं यूज कर सकते?
हाँ ओके, सो इफ यू ट्राई टू यूज द रूल नंबर 3 और 4, अच्छा चेक करो एक बार, लास्ट का चेक करो. We'll check it at the end. Okay, let me solve it. 44. Okay, let me change the page. 45. So Radhan, general solution is m dx y constant plus terms in n m dx. So m is 1 upon m is to be obtained from equation number 2, huh? Not from 1. Plus terms in n free from x minus 1 upon y. So 1 upon y is constant. Integration of 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x. This is the answer. Remark. Whether rule number 3 and 4 is applicable or not. Okay, so we have m like this, y plus xy square. We have n like this. Okay, we have del m by del y equal to 1 plus 2xy. Del n by del x equal to 1 minus 2xy. Right, now we have to find the difference, del m by del y minus del n by del x. You can write it directly also. Four xy plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Okay, so how many terms are there? Single term. Now you go to the m, there are 2 terms. Go to the n, there are 2 terms. Okay, so if we try to simplify, it is not possible to get function of x only or function of y only. We'll check it. Okay, so del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n. Okay, this is already known to us, 4xy divided by n. Okay, here is the n. I can take x common from there. Huh? So 1 minus xy. So if I simplify, I'll get 4y divided by 1 minus xy. Is I am getting function of x only? Function of x only was not required, na? So no. Function of both x and y. Getting everyone, na? Yes. Therefore, rule number 3 is not applicable. Now see, we'll check this. Del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by m. Function of y is required. Only function of y, or maybe constant. So del n by del x minus del m by del y is same. Only sign will be minus 4xy divided by m. Here is the n. I can take y common from the m. So 1 plus xy. Cancel the y. So minus 4x divided by 1 plus x. Again, same thing. Okay. Function of x and y. We required function of y only. In previous case, we required function of x only, which is not possible. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is rule 3 or 4 is not applicable. समझते हैं सर्वण्णा? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Now it may possible that particular example may be solved by 3-4 different methods. Huh? That is, we may able to use the rule number 2 as well as rule number 4. No any problem. You solve by any method, you will get the same answer. Or we can solve the differential equation by non-exact method as well as we'll able to solve it by homogeneous method also. Okay, substitution method also. This may possible. Okay, but you solve by any method, no problem. If your method is correct, if integration is correct, you will get the same answer whether you are using any method. Okay. Yes. Let me go through the next example. Clear now? Any doubt in this example? Can we go through the next example now?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Chalo. Next example. Next. Example number 4. First. Read on. 3xy square.
Sir, page.
Sorry. What is page number now? 46?
Okay.
Right. 3xy minus y cube dx plus xy square minus 2x square y dy equal to 0. Okay. Right. Here m equal to 3xy square it is, huh? 3xy square, huh? Please make the required change. Del m by del y 6xy minus 3y square del n by del x. Are they equal? No. Differential equation is not exact. Okay. So yes, is the differential equation homogeneous? Start with the first rule. What about m? M is homogeneous?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what is its degree?
3.
Degree is 3. Right? Na? What about n? N is also homogeneous. And what is its degree? 3 only. So what is the conclusion? Given differential equation is homogeneous. Right? Na? Now we can solve it by 2 different methods. Huh? Hope you remember, in case of homogeneous differential equation, how to solve it? What is substitution? U equal to y by x. Remember, na?
Yes,
You can solve by that method, or you can solve by the method which we are using here. Okay, getting everyone now? The differential equation, the above differential equation can be solved by 2 different methods. One, by substituting u equal to y by x, that already we studied, and another method that we are studying here. Okay, now return. Integrating factor is, since differential equation is non-exact and it is homogeneous, therefore integrating factor is 1 upon xm plus yn. Okay, so x. You can skip few steps. Always you can skip few steps. Huh? Usually I write more steps. Simplify. If coefficient is say 1 upon 7 x raised x square y square, then we'll cancel the 7, huh? Or you can consider 7 as it is. It will not make any problem for us. Okay, but in option, you remember that क्या म्हणते समझते कपा, हाँ समझना है आपको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे सपोज 10 है तो ऑप्शन में क्या आएगा 1 अपॉन 10 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर आएगा. हाँ तो इसको आप समझिए. ओके
Sir, why?
बताया ना अभी लास्ट एग्जांपल में मैंने. We are multiplying by say 1 upon 10 x square y square, then I can take this 10 to other side and other side we have 0. Therefore, I'll explain it once again, no problem. In this example also I'll explain, okay? No problem. Right now. Multiplying given differential equation, right? Now integrating factor is obtained. Multiply differential equation 1. If 1 is not written, please mention that. By 1 upon x square y square. Okay. So it is 3x y square minus y cube divided by x square y square dx. हाँ, if यहाँ पे coefficient say 10 is there, I can take this 10 to other side and that will become 0. Now you may say that we can take x square y square also to other side and it will become 0. What will happen then? I can take x square y square also to other side, na? But then the resultant differential equation will not remain exact. समझते का? I can take x square y square, मैं x square y square sorry x square y square को भी दूसरी साइड में ले जा सकता हूं, but the resultant differential equation will not remain exact. Therefore, I can take constant only to other side, not the variables. Okay? Hope this is clear. Okay? Now simplify. नहीं clear है तो you ask me. No any problem. P by x minus y divided by x square. I am dividing every term by the x square y square term. What will remain? 1 upon x minus x square cancel होगा 2 by y. Equation number 2 is exact. Hope you are getting it. Fast, लिख दो इसको. Can I change the page?
1 minute.
Fast. Okay. Next page, 46, 47 now. All right, general solution is integration of m dx y constant plus terms in n free from x dy equal to constant. So 3 by x minus y by x square by constant. Terms in n which are free from x minus 2 by y. So 3 log x integration of 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x so this is log of x square plus y by x minus log of y square. Let me write the log terms together. X cube, na? In fact, I can modify this answer. Okay, how? Like this. Right, whether I am writing C or log of C1, there is no any problem. Let me write the log terms on one side. Or I can keep as it is. Let me make small change, please. Small change. Small change. Log of x cube y square equal to c minus y by x. I want to cancel the log term, so I will take anti-log on both sides. Got it? Understood. And this is alternate solution. Getting everyone? Any doubt here? Yes. Can I continue now? Can I continue on next page with a new example?
Yes,
I'm giving this example for you. You solve it here only. Okay. I'll allow you 2 minutes. See how many of you are able to solve it. Okay. So between these 2 minutes, now for these 2 minutes, don't have to speak. Just go on solving it. See whether you are able to solve it or not. Okay. So like this, right? Example. I have to change the page. 48. Right on. X square plus y square plus 1 dx minus 2xy dy. First, x square plus y square plus 1 dx minus 2xy dy equal to 0. Yes, try to solve it. Hope you might have written the question. Till that time, let me do one more work that is pending. Yes, who got the answer? Anyone got the answer? Yes. How many of you are able to solve it? Hope you might have understood del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Differential equation is not exact. Right now? Chaitanya, have you solved the question? Saurabh?
Sir, I am
Smith?
solving by rule number 3.
Good. Go ahead. Priyanka
It is-
Patil, do you got the answer?
Sir, I'm
Sakshi, Rohit, Omkar, Vishal, Sanket, Om का आंसर में थिक नहीं. Ansh, are you getting the answer? Rohan, Lalit, Gopal. Very simple, nothing difficult over there. Okay, so this is clear. Now rule number 1 cannot be applied. It is not homogeneous. X square plus y square plus 1 is there, no? So it is not homogeneous. Rule number 2 cannot be applied since it is not a function of xy. Okay, x square y square is there, no? So how it will be function of xy? So we may have to use rule number 3 or 4, and for that we have to find del m by del y minus del n by del x, and from there we have to decide this, and it is plus 4y. So how many terms we have? Single term. How many terms are there in m? 3 terms. So we cannot divide by m. How many terms are there in n? Yes, single term. So divide by n. So del n by del x minus del m by del y. Right? Function of x is required. We'll check that. Then what is integrating factor? E raised to integration of f of x.
Sir, minus 2 by x.
Absolutely.
One by
1 upon x square is the integrating factor. Okay, what are the next step is?
Sir, x minus y square by x minus 1 by x. Answer again.
Check करूया आता. Just 2 minutes. It might be clear, correct? Equation number 2 is exact. Okay. Terms in n free from x. No.
Sir,
Sir, page change.
Arey yaar. I forget all those things. Now what should be done? Write it once again. Okay. No any term free from x in n, so 0.
तर 1 चा x होईल ना.
Why not? Why not? X, huh? First term is x. Yes, last example of this type. And we'll go to the next type. Write down. Y log y dx.
sir, कर sir.
X minus log y. Y log y dx plus x minus log y dy equal to 0. So write down m equal to del m by del y. Product rule is to be used. Y as it is, derivative of log y is 1 upon y. Log y as it is, derivative of y is 1. That's it. Not exact. Let me go to the next page. Can I change the page? So conclusion is the given differential equation is not exact. So can we use the rule number 1, homogeneous differential equation? No. Can we use the rule number 2, is it the function of x, y? No. So we have to use rule number 3 or 4. We'll decide that. Okay. Let me write on the next page. Page number 50. So on previous page we have these things, m equal to 1 minute. Let me write y log y, n equal to x minus log y, Del m by del y was like this, 1 plus log y. Del n by del x was like this, 1. Okay. Now find del m by del y minus del n by del x. So 1 plus log y minus 1. So what is remaining? Log y. How many terms? Single. Go to the m. How many terms are there in m? Single term. So we have to divide by m. Okay. Divide by m. So last term is del m by del y. Hope you might remember all these things very well. Previous term is del n by del x. And what is required? Function of y is required. So del n by del x 1. M. Minus 1 upon y. This is not integrating factor, don't make mistake. Integrating factor, now we understand. One upon y is the integrating factor. Okay. Now write down. Hope everyone is here. आत ना सगळे इथे?
Yes, sir.
Give me attendance. Attendance द्यायचे. सुधीर आहे. सुधीर
Sir,
जाधव.
एक minute दाखव.
एक मिनिट थांबा आधी. कोण आहे की नाही आधी बघून पेज दाखवतो, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. सुधीर जाधव आहे. सुधीर जाधव. सुंदराम मगर. सुधीर
Yes,
जाधव
sir.
कुठे
Right,
गेला?
sir.
कोण आहे सांगा? सुधीर जाधव आहे. सुंदरम मगर. मगर पळाला. सुकृत जोशी आहे. सुकृत. सुकृत नाहीये. मगर नाहीये. कुठे गेले हे सगळे? सुकृत आणि मगर नाहीये. एक मिनिट लिहून घेतो, मला जरा घेऊन दे. मगर आज काय डेट आहे? 6336. मगर आणि कोण आहे? जोशी. ओके. नेक्स्ट हर्ष येवले आहे. हर्ष येवले. रोल नंबर 52 A52. गेले पळून. मोबाईल लावलाय आणि कुठेतरी गेलेला आहे. काय जेवायला बसलं काय? ध्रुव पाटील.
Yes, sir.
व्हेरी गुड. देन सृष्टी वैरागर. B52. B52. अरे लड़कियां भी ऐसे करने लगी है क्या? सृष्टी काय स्वयंपाक बनवत आहे काय? सृष्टी इज देअर. B52. नो. अवघड आहे. प्रथमेश आहे. प्रथमेश सोनवणे.
Yes, sir.
ऋत्विक सोनवणे आहे.
Yes, sir.
सोनल.
Yes, sir.
सिद्धेश असेल. ऋषिकेश पिसे. B35 आहे.
Yes, sir.
B35. ओके. साहिल पवार B34.
Yes, sir. How, sir?
गुड. व्हेरी गुड. रोहन पाटील.
Yes, sir. Present.
व्हेरी गुड. व्हेरी गुड. अंकुर. अंकुर आहे काय?
हो,
व्हेरी
sir.
गुड. व्हेरी गुड. अथर्व कुलकर्णी B20.
Yes, sir.
सुजय B14.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वल्लभ. पल्लवी आहे येतोय आवाज. प्रीतम गायार, प्रीतम आहे.
Yes, sir.
व्हेरी गुड. संकेत, संकेत कुठे? व्हेरी गुड. निखिल असणार
Yes,
आहे. स्नेहल A53.
Yes, sir.
व्हेरी गुड. CR तर असेलच, सरस असेल. होप सो. साक्षी A42.
Yes, sir.
साक्षी, हा ओके. नेक्स्ट अमृत आहे की नाही? अमृत
आहे सर.
आहे ना? घर शोधाय की नाही ना? हा ओके ओके ओके.
नाही सर.
हॅलो सर.
हो 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 ठीक. हा बोला, कोण आहे? श्रेयस, श्रेयस बोल.
मायनस लॉग बाय अपॉन वायचं इंटिग्रेशन कसं करणार?
एकच मिनिट जरा कोण आहे की नाही बघतो, कारण हे जास्त महत्वाचं वाटतंय मला. आम्ही मग अशीच प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे. ऋषिकेश A16. ऋषिकेश A16. नाहीये. व्हेरी गुड. देन देवराज A9. देवराज.
Yes, sir.
वंदना मैडम है क्या आप?
Yes, sir.
अर्पित.
Yes, sir.
व्हेरी गुड. हा आता काय एक येईल. दर्शन, नितन. हा बोला. कोण विचारतो? श्रेयस. येस, व्हॉट युअर डाउट इज?
मायनस लॉग बाय अपॉन वायचं इंटिग्रेशन.
करेक्ट. जस्ट 1 मिनट. हाँ, मुझे थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करने दीजिए इस एग्जांपल को. Yes, 1 upon y is the integrating factor. Okay, now multiply differential equation 1 by 1 upon y. So we have y log y divided by y dx plus x minus log y divided by y dy equal to 0. अच्छा, ये सिर्फ y कैंसिल होगा, रिमेनिंग थिंग्स विल बी एज इट इज. So write differential equation 2 is what? Exact. Okay, now we have to solve it. So general solution is integration of m dx, y constant, plus terms in n free from x dy, right na, equal to constant. So log y, integration of log y constant, so no any problem, plus अच्छा इसको if you simplify this term na, it will be x by y minus, we should have written one more step, but since I want to write everything on this page, I have not written it. So it will be like this: x by y minus log y by y. Okay, so log y divided by y is free from the x. Okay, how we can integrate this log by y by y? Anyone? Very simple.
By parts.
No, not required na. Suppose I take t equal to log y by substitution. Huh? What is dt? Dy divided by y na. Log y derivative is 1 upon y. Okay, so that will be simple. Okay, now see integration of the first term, log y constant. Okay, integration of dx x minus, I have taken minus sign common. Log y is t, isn't it? Now remaining things are dy, absolutely, dy divided by y, and that is dt equal to constant. Okay, so x log y minus t square divided by 2 equal to constant. That is x log y minus log y whole square divided by 2 equal to constant. This is the solution. Hope this is clear. X log y minus log y divided by 2 log y square divided by 2 equal to constant. This is the solution. Okay, hope this is clear. Now let me start with the next part. After this there is break. Let me take 5 minutes of the break.
सर ते एनपीटीएल बद्दल बोलणार
स्टार्ट
होतो.
करता हूं मैं. अरे हाँ एनपीटीईएल बद्दल सांगायचं नाही का. कुठं आहे थांब जरा इथे सेव्ह झालं का. हे हॅव यू सॉल्व दिस एक्झाम्पल.
Yes sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Solve. चला नेक्स्ट पार्ट आय विल कंटिन्यू विथ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अच्छा 2-3 गोष्टी सांगायच्या आहेत त्यात सांगतो मी. दॅट विल बी बेटर. ओके फर्स्ट लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ द एनपीटीएल. हा सो एनपीटीएल मी इथे सेव्ह केलंय का. हा आहे इथं. हे आहे.
हॅलो तेजस.
हॅलो.
काय करत आहे?
मी मॅथचं लेक्चर.
करायचं का लेफ्ट करायचं?
हो कर. सगळे गेले की जातो मी पण.
हो.
हॅलो सौरभ.
हा बोल.
अरे या सृष्टीचं अजून लक्ष नाही.
बाई
बघ ना तू एकटीच
मोबाईल साईडला
मीटिंग
मॅथचं
काय
लेक्चर.
कर आणि
अरे आज पण याचं लेक्चर रे. ओ B26.
हेच
काय म्हणताय सर? B26 हॅव टू कॉल मी. ए सरांनी माझं नाव घेतलं होतं का? हॅलो.
हो. काय 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 तू कॉल कर, चल लेफ्ट करून घे.
नाही 2 मिनिटं थांब. हॅलो ऐक ना.
मला पण नाही माहिती का. हा बोल 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 बोल.
सरांनी माझं नाव घेतलं होतं का त्यावेळेस जेव्हा
नाही
मुलांचं नाव घेत होते?
नाही
मग मला काय सांगितलं
नाही
सरांनी
नाही
कॉल करायला? ठीक आहे करतो.
करून घे एकदा. तुला मॅथ मध्ये किती आहे?
50.
50 ना. हा बरोबर. हा बरोबर बरोबर असेल ते तुमच्यासाठी.
ओके ठीक आहे.
हो हो चालेल. बाय बाय.
बाय.